This is the cha-cha slide, y'all. I want everybody to come up on the stage and we gonna do this. Let's do it. Oh yeah. Let's do it. Oh yeah. Alright, come on y'all, clap it up.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm Laverne.
And I'm Shirley.
I'm Haley.
I'm Erin.
She's Erin.
Haley.
So you know our names?
Good.
Because it's been forever.
Forever.
Since our last video. What was our last video, Erin?
No. And the bloopers?
Mm-mm.
It was a 9-volt battery.
Nope.
I don't know.
Italy campaign.
Italy campaign. That was our last video.
And way to view that one, guys. Really didn't do anything about that.
Like 18 views.
But I don't blame you for the video. So. But good viewing on the 9-volt battery.
Mm-hmm. And bloopers.
Over 300. 300.
Yep.
What have you guys been up to?
Yeah. It's pretty much our life. Doing nothing.
Except that we haven't been able to make a video.
I got a boo-boo. Yeah, it's me boo-boo.
Yeah, you don't really care.
How would you know?
Because I don't care.
So,
if you have any ideas
for some videos,
let us
know.
know.
So we can make
a video
for you
and your family
and your family's children
and your family's children and their pets,
which is you.
Anyway.
We need some. Oh, look who's coming in.
Oh, hey guys.
Hello. You have today? Yeah. Is this mine? Nope. What's that today? Medium. Let me see. They're mine. I wore them to sleep last night. No. Nope. You're on YouTube. We're to Shirley right now. That's fine. Let me see. No. Let me see. These are mine. Did you get from today? Mm-hmm. Was it fun? Yeah. What'd you have to eat? A chicken gyro. Do you have to work tonight? No. Are you going in tonight? I don't know. What would you like to say to the viewers of Laverne to Shirley? Stop taking stuff from my room! Not really helping.
Tell us your favorite characteristic of Erin. Let's look at her.
She's gorgeous.
I asked them, not you.
Oh.
Okay.
I'm not stupid, by the way. So, what is your favorite characteristic about Haley?
Oh, I was blowing a bubble, and I went to go.
Haley is a sicko. So if you would like to agree with me, go ahead. Let's see what we got here.
Fritz.
As you can see, it's like an ugly bear, but One of Haley's favorites.
My dead grandma gave this to me.
It's not good to joke about that kind of stuff, Haley. Isn't.
I'm not kidding. My grandma actually gave it to me. I'm totally kidding.
So.
Can't hog up the camera anymore.
Can I say the camera loves me?
Aaron, go show him your boot. So Aaron got this boot. Okay, go ahead and put it back so quickly. Aaron got this boot at this place called Farmer's Fair. Ooh.
My bad.
Farmer's Fair of 2010. And it is. And I am part of FFA, which stands for Future Farmers of America.
We also play field hockey. And these are her sisters, Lexi's pants.
No! They're mine. They're mine. She just loses hers all the time. And I can't help it. She just loses them. It's not my fault.
Alright, well, this was Laverne to Shirley. So, I'm Shirley.
She's obviously Laverne, because she just likes that name better. Oh, show him your S. Show him your S. Yeah, back up a little bit. It's backwards.
And that would be Haley's really weird laugh. Oh, that's her L. Just give me the loser sign. Alright, so this was Laverne to Shirley.
Peace out. We're gonna go make a video for you. Because,
Again.
And because you never give us any ideas, rate, comment, and subscribe. RCS, we love you.
Well, that's Phil128. Have a good day.
She's also